eyewitness weather forecast.
And 6:09 is the time on your early Halloween evening. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking cold, wet, kind of raw weather for trick-or-treating over the next couple of hours. Right now, live look over downtown Utica, where we have mostly cloudy skies and rain out there right now, 42 degrees, although we do have a westerly breeze at 22 miles an hour. So not even just a breeze, it's rather blustery out there. That's making it feel like 33, so right above the freezing point. And unfortunately, I don't expect that feels-like temperature to come up as we go through the overnight hours. So keep that in mind if you do have any outdoor plans for trick-or-treating over the next few hours. Temperatures are cooler in some locations. Old Forge 37, where there is some snow out there right now. Boonville 39, it is not snowing there just yet, but there are some locations where we are seeing some snow. I'll get to that in just a second. As far as where temperatures are going over the next couple of days, we're not expecting any major warm-ups. However, with that being said, Monday and Tuesday will be on either side of average for this time of year. And those are the first couple of days of November as well. Tuesday also being election day before we see another system move in with some clouds, some cooler temperatures out there as well. And that'll bring us some rain also. So we've got low-end chances for rain both Saturday and Sunday, mainly some passing or lake effect showers out there. Rain Monday afternoon into Tuesday, maybe a few lingering showers then as well. And then Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning, our next storm system heads our way, and that could bring some more appreciable rain. We do need this rain because of the lack of it that we've seen for the better half of the summer into the fall, but we just don't need it on Halloween. So the winds right now are highest from the thruway up toward the north, in spite of the fact that Lewis and northern Hamilton counties or northern Herkimer County are not included in the wind advisory. Everybody else is through tomorrow morning, and that's for gusts that we're seeing out there right now, 40 to 50 miles an hour. And those will continue to be with us during the overnight hours. Could be as high as 35 to 40. And it'll still be breezy during the day tomorrow out of the west-northwest. There could still be 25 to 30 miles an hour gusts, but just below those advisory criteria. So we've got snow over portions of Lewis County, northern Herkimer, northern Hamilton County out there, rather light to moderate, but in some cases there could be as much as 2 or 3 inches or a slushy coating by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. The culprit for that is this area of low pressure located over Quebec right now, moving toward the northeast. As it does so, the wind switches over to the northwest, and that's why it's rather gusty out there right now and cooling down. So temperatures will remain in the upper 30s to around 40 tonight, but the feels-like temperature will be right around 32 degrees. The rain and the snow will come to an end. However, with the northwesterly breeze continuing for our Saturday, can't rule out an isolated or scattered rain or lake effect snow shower out there. Again, don't expect much in terms of additional accumulation. It'll also be breezy out there for your Saturday as well. So as far as additional rainfall, most to the northwest, least toward the southeast, the reason being up toward the northwest, that's where you'll have the lake effect. And in terms of that snowfall, there could be as much as 1 to 3 inches, especially from Old Forge to the north, where you've got temperatures already into the 30s. As we head through the next couple of days, we will see improvements for as we go through the weekend. And remember to set the clocks back on Saturday night into Sunday morning, and check the batteries in your smoke detectors as well as we fall back this weekend. That means next week we also see those earlier sunsets and earlier sunrises, and we will also see several chances for rain going toward and beyond Election Day. Thomas, back to you.
Thank you, Jordan. When we come, eyewitness weather forecast.
Happy Halloween to you once again. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking your first weekend of November forecast. And unfortunately, it does look like a little bit of a cool down, as well as some lake effect rain showers will be part of that forecast as well. Let's take a look at our high temperatures that we observed today, where we had the westerly winds a little bit earlier this morning into the afternoon. Further to the west, temperatures there into the middle and upper 40s, like Watertown 45, Seneca Falls 46, Loudville and Lewis County at 48. We're a little bit warmer, though, to the south and east of that. That's because we hang on to the southeasterly winds a little bit longer. So Utica, Herkimer, Cooperstown, Sherburne, all at 51, and then we are exactly at 50 in Camden, Boonville, Old Forge, Lake Pleasant, and in Hamilton. So a little bit below average, but it definitely felt chillier because of that wind out there today. And we'll only get to around 45 to 50 tomorrow, maybe a little bit warmer than that as we head through Sunday. Monday and Tuesday will be right where we should be for this time of year, around 53 to 55 degrees. But it does come with a few showers, especially Monday afternoon. Could be a few passing lake effect showers once again as we head into Tuesday before another system heads our way Wednesday and Thursday, mainly Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning. Temperatures temperatures then around 48 to 50 degrees, and not far from that as we head through Friday. It looks like the only completely dry day right now of the next 7. So we'll level off the rain chances here Saturday into Sunday, but still can't rule out a couple of lake effect showers, especially to the north of the thruway, before that next system heads our way Monday afternoon, Monday night. Still hanging on to a few lake effect showers on Tuesday, and then those rain chances, I should say, spike back up as we head into our Wednesday and Thursday. So we do have a wind advisory that does continue for a few more hours through tomorrow morning. That's because we could still see gusts tonight into tomorrow morning of 25 to occasionally 30 miles an hour, but at some points today it was up around 35 to 40 miles an hour, and that's the main reason why that advisory was issued. So we'll hang on to the lake effect rain and snow showers to the north through about 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. We'll see the west-northwesterly wind continuing, so it's rather spotty throughout the day. Some areas getting it up toward the north, some toward the south. Really possible at any location and at any point tomorrow, those west-northwesterly winds continuing around 10 to 20 miles an hour with occasionally higher gusts, but still below advisory level criterias, and then they'll eventually calm down as we head toward tomorrow evening and into Sunday. It'll still be a bit breezy on Sunday, though, so there could be a few hundredths to maybe 2/10 of an inch of lake effect rain up toward the north and west. And how about that snow? There could be as much as a slushy coating to maybe an inch or two of it, especially northern Herkimer and portions of Hamilton County. As far as our 7-day forecast is concerned, we'll have temperatures in the upper 40s to right around 50 degrees both weekend days, dipping down to around 31, so just below freezing on Saturday night into Sunday. Don't forget to turn the clocks back then as well, because daylight saving time unfortunately ends this weekend, so that means Sundays sunrise and sunset are an hour earlier. You also get that extra hour of sleep. Make sure to check the batteries in your smoke detectors as well. Monday looks like we'll have that rain coming in the afternoon around 55. That looks like the warmest day of the next 7, so unfortunately it does come with that rain. Tuesday we do have election day, but still the weather won't stop you from getting out to the polls, around 50 to 55. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we've got another system coming in with some light rain and showers, mainly Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning, around 45 to 50 degrees both days. And we'll be not far from that for the end of next week on Friday with a mix of sun and clouds. In the meantime, Thomas, I'll send it back to you at the desk.
Thank you, Jordan. It may be Halloween.